Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Secret Point. My name is Milan, and in this video session I am going to discuss about how you can set the background of your frame, background color of your frame, and how you can restrict the user from resizing of your frame. Okay, these are the two different methods of Java that I am going to explain in this video session. Here in the screen you can see that I have already written some of the points for you, which already I have discussed in earlier video sessions. If you have not watched all those videos, then you just go through all my previous videos so that you will get an idea about how to create a frame, how to set the size and alignment of your frame, how you can set the title and icon of your frame, all those things. Okay, this is already discussed in the earlier video sessions. You just go through those and you will get the idea. In this session I am going to discuss how you can set the background of your frame. Okay, so for setting the background of our frame we are using set background method, which is accepting one color object as parameter. Okay, and for restricting the user from resizing the frame we are using set resizable method, which is accepting one boolean value as parameter. Okay, now let's use this two method in our program and see what output we are getting. For setting the background we are using set background, right? So we are passing one color code as parameter to this method, and by writing color dot you will get a list of color like this. These are the constant value and it is static, it is got declared as static, that's why I'm calling it by directly by the class name. Okay, so suppose I'm going to set the background of my frame color is like cyan. Okay, so I choose cyan. Now save it, and I am using set resizable method as I am to restrict the user from resizing the frames, right? So I am using set resizable and passing false, boolean value false I am passing as parameter to this method. Now let's run this method and see what output we are getting. Okay, now you can see that our frame got created by the execution of our program with the fixed height and width what I have mentioned in the program. That is, I was mentioned 500 height and 500 width. With that height and width it was created, but here you can see that I am unable to resize the frame. This maximize button is disabled, so I am unable to resize the frame. And if you will put your cursor in the corner or else in the middle, then also you are not able to resize the frame, because we are using set resizable method and we are passing the parameter false, boolean value false we are passing, so it is restricting the user, it is restricting to the programmer or the user end user to resize the frame. Okay, so this is working, resizable method is working, but the background color is not changed. Why means, to set the background what you have to do is you have to first identify the container, which container background color you need to change. That container you have to find out, and with that container object you need to call that set background method so that it is going to set the background color. Okay, so here already I have written one line of code and I have commented it. Just uncomment it and see what I was written here. In the screen you can see that I was written container con equal to get content pen. I'm calling the get content pen method, which is going to return one container object. Okay, here you can see that get content pen method is going to return one container object. I'm going to the JFrame class and I will show you whether it is really returning a container object or not. Wait, it is going. Okay, now here in the screen you can see that this is the original code what was already written as part of frame class, JFrame class. This is the get content pair method which is returning one container object. Okay, so this is the source code actually of JFrame class that I am showing you now. And here as part of this method execution it is going to return container object, and on that container object you have to call the set background method, con dot set background. Okay, now save this program. Now run it again. Again it's got stuck. Okay, now right click on it and run your program, that is run file. Okay, wait for some time, our program is in execution mode. Okay, now you can see in the screen that our program got executed and the newly created frame is set with the new background color, that is cyan color. Okay, what I was selected. And here in the maximize option also you can see that that it is in disable mode. That means I am unable to resize the frame also. So this is all about this video session. Hope you like this video. And in the coming video session I am going to cover so many methods of different J components, different components of swing. Okay, so for this you have to stay tuned with my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and keep sharing with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care.